everyone, this is week 2 of Coach Basics, Be a Product of the Product. And this is something you're already doing. So this is actually going to be a really fun week to talk about.
This is really typically where coaches start, is they order a program, start a program, join a challenge group. So being a product of the product is something you already know how to do. The difference now is this week we're going to teach you how to share your journey with others.
And the value of that is once you start sharing your journey and inviting other people to join you, it doesn't matter where you are in your journey. But when you invite other people to join you, they're seeing you change, they're seeing you committed, and they want that. They want that companionship, that they don't want a perfect person that's on a pedestal. They want someone who's actually taking the journey with them and that can help encourage them. That's why you're being a product of the product. Sharing and showing that these work, not selling. That's the biggest thing we're also going to be talking about this week. So, buckle up. We're going to have fun this week. I know you're doing your personal development still with Compound Effect.
Yes.
Now we're adding another piece of the vital behaviors that will make you an even better coach. Watch out, here we come.